Hello, lovely people. It's so good to see all of you happy faces back again. Well, this is it. This is what I have been up to for the major part of 2020, building my own YouTube studio. Let me tell you, it didn't happen overnight, and you will be surprised to know that it was mostly the result of a writer's block. In the initial part of 2020, when I had my ligament injury and riding motorcycles came to a halt, I wasn't quite happy with the content that I was producing, confusing everyone what to expect from this channel, travel videos, motorcycling, product reviews, and that's when I thought I need to stop and think what I'm doing. And thanks to COVID-19, I got all the time to do so. A vision was set, and here we are. My first video produced from my own YouTube studio. Took me about a year to figure out my finances, upgrade my gears, plan the interiors of the studio, the furnitures, the list never ending. But the journey overwhelming. And my parents have been supportive of me throughout this. Even the walls of the studio have been painted by my dad and me myself. Do let me know in the comments how do they look. Now let's give you a small tour of my studio. But before that, the studio is nowhere near complete. And in fact, no studio is ever fully complete. Things will change time and again, and evolving is a continuous process. Enough talking, let's go. When you enter the studio, the first thing that you see is my main shooting area. We have this small desk wherein I keep my laptop to refer to my scripts, a planner to keep stuff organized. For the main camera rig, we have the Canon 80D with the 10-18mm lens and a Rode VideoMic Pro. As far as lighting is concerned, we have the Godox SL60W as my primary light with a Godox 120cm Octa softbox as a light diffuser. We have also set up a few acoustic panels for a better audio experience. Moving on, here we have a small office setup. The most important work is done here. All creative work like research, writing scripts, organizing footages, everything is done out here. I have a pretty basic desktop which is used for editing my photographs that you see on Instagram, my thumbnails. Currently, I do not use this PC for editing my videos because it needs a little bit of a hardware upgrade. But yeah, upgrading it is in the cards as I will use this PC for editing more robust files in future. So right here next to me is our main display shelf. This showcases my and my dad's passion for photography, years of collecting cameras which I inherited from him, cameras which I bought, all stored up here. We'll talk about them in a separate video. It also stores my lenses, and one more important thing, all of my Hot Wheels collection are stored here. Yes, you heard it right. Call me a kid, but I do collect Hot Wheels. Well, this is a temporary setup for Hot Wheels till me and my friends Anshuman, Brijraj and Rachit we figure out a more effective way to store and display them. But till that time, they are all here. Now we got all these furnitures from Amazon, and the reason why we selected those particular colors is that they go very well with the colors of the walls and the doors, frosty white and chocolate wood. This area right here is where I want to do podcasts, invite artists for collaborations, but we haven't figured that direction out yet, and that's why this area is completely untouched. Do drop in your suggestions, let the creativity flow. That's pretty much it. And like I said, the studio is nowhere near complete and we will evolve for sure. I would love to talk more, but I have already taken a lot of your time. So let's keep the rest for another video wherein I talk about what you can expect from this channel and a few other announcements. That's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. But before that, do me a favor. Like this video, follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Ciao.